Anytime you see this type of question, this is how to solve it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give you a step-by-step approach that you will always use to tackle any question in this form. Even if it's what you have inside is a fraction, they still follow the same procedure or the same steps, okay? Step 1, look at where you have your square root. In terms of something like this, your square root, can you actually reduce it to its simplest form? Yes, because 45, if you want to reduce it, this is 45. What is the smallest number that can divide 45 is 3. And when that happens, we have 15. 3 will divide again to give us 5. 5 will divide to give us 1. So you can see that we can express 45 as 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 times 5. So you need to pick the numbers that are the same so that you can get a perfect square and an ordinary number. So we can express 45 as 9 multiplied by 5. So that way we have the square root of 7 plus square root of 9 multiplied by 5. That is the first step. Now, secondly, separate them. Remember that square root of a multiplied by b is equal to square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Okay? So that means we can write this as square root of 7 plus square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. All right. Now we have square root of 7 plus 3 root 5. Now, once you look at this and you feel that there is nothing you can do about it again, this is when you need to introduce 2 over 2. Yes, like I said, they all follow the same procedure, okay? So we can write this as square root of 1 bracket 7 plus 3 root 5. Okay, where 1 is equal to 2 over 2. Okay, so we can write this as 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 root 5. Now we always introduce this 2 over 2 in order to get this algebra identity in terms of a plus b all squared or a minus b all squared, depending on the nature of the question. Now you're going to see that in a jiffy. Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. Yes, because we'll be very glad to have you in this family. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Just know that from the depth of my heart, I love you. Okay, thank you for always tuning in. And then I think that's just it, right? Yes, thank you very much. So at this point, we can write this as the square root of 2 brackets 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 2. Always separate them this way. Always separate your 2 this way. Now this is equal to, then you open your brackets, the numerator, open the bracket. So we have square root of 2 times 7 is 14 plus 2 multiplied by 3 root 5. Now divided by 2. Okay? Yeah. Now, if you look at this, like I said, we are trying to form a squared, a plus b all squared. So if this is 2ab, do you understand? If this is 2ab, so it simply means that our a is 3 and our b is what? Root 5. Okay, so we can write something like this: the square root of, now 14 is same thing as 9 plus 5. You see where that 5 is coming in, and 3 will come in because we are going to have 3 squared as our 9. So we have 9 plus 5. These are the best numbers to choose. Then plus 2 multiplied by 3 root 5. Okay, so this is our a and this is our b, because this is 2ab. So that is where this 9 is coming from. and this root 5, we are going to see how we are going to form it. All right, now divided by 2. Okay, so at this point we have 3 is the same thing as 3 squared, 9 is the same thing as 3 squared, plus, and 5 is the same thing as root 5 squared. You see where root 5 is coming in? Root 5 squared. Okay, then plus 2 multiplied by 3 root 5. Now divided by 2 is still the same thing as square root of 2 squared. Yes, because square root of a all squared is equal to a. So that is where these two come in. All right. Now this will be equal to, like I said, we've already formed our a squared. Remember that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So I've already explained this. That means that what we have here now will be equal to the square root of a plus b squared, that is 3 plus root 5 all squared. Okay, so it's going to be 3 plus root 5 all squared divided by root 2 squared. All right, now we are almost there. I told you I'm going to show you a step-by-step approach that will enable you to solve this kind of question anytime you come across it. Okay, all right. Now in this channel, I think I posted that a day ago or 2 days ago, depending on when I post this. So you should see something like this, but that particular one is a fraction. So you also learn how to solve something like this in fraction form. Okay, so this is what we have. Remember that a squared divided by b squared is equal to a divided by b all squared. Okay, so that means that we can write this as square root of 3 plus root 5 divided by root 2 all squared. Okay, now remember, let me clean everything here. Remember that square root of a squared, square root of a squared is equal to a. Okay, so that means that this will remove this, and what we have is 3 plus root 5 divided by root 2. Now I want you to note that anytime you are solving anything in mathematics and your denominator happens to be a surd, please kindly rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, all you need to do is to multiply and divide by the surd. Okay, so I will now multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2 as well, because it's only when root 2 multiplies root 2 that will have 2 as my denominator, and that is a rational number and it is acceptable. So we are going to have root 2 multiplied by this 3 plus root 5 divided by root 2 multiplied by root 2. So we have root 2 times 3 is 3 root 2 plus root 2 times root 5 divided by root 2 times root 2 is 2. Now we have 3 root 2 plus, now remember that root a multiplied by root b is equal to root a b. Okay, so that means that this is root 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. So we have 3 root 2 plus root 10 divided by 2. And that is the answer, because at this point, I don't think there is anything we can do again to get the a lower number, a simpler value. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.